When we look back at the best moments in life, it's oftentimes not the big events that come to mind, but the little moments. Our lives are busier now than ever, and technology has advanced beyond our imagination. Here at IMOU, we understand that technology is at its best when you barely know it's there at all, quietly keeping watch over everything that's precious in life. Now, you can get on with the important things, keeping in touch with worlds far away, staying connected with family at home, keeping our focus on the human touch, knowing that your business and home are safe no matter where you are in the world. So dive back into your life. Start creating all those little moments with the people that matter most. Enjoy the breeze, knowing that no matter how far away you are, it's actually not far at all. IMOU. Enjoy smart life.